Auliya Allah, they are the roses of Allah on earth.
How is feeling in Darbar, Ziyara?
You are from Baghdad Sharif, local part of Sheikh Al Jailani, descendant. So you can express your views.
First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for our beloved brother, Sayyid Afeefuddin Al Jailani, for hosting us in this blessed
Shukriya.
day of Ramadan. Jazakum
I am honored.
Allah Barak Fik. Shukriya. We were very delighted to be here indeed, because I saw this area is extraordinary, because it's not because of the area itself, but because of the souls who lived here and buried here. His ancestors, great people, descendant of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sayyid Afeefuddin Al Jailani, Sayyid Al Rahman Al Jailani, Sayyid Afeefuddin Al Jailani, and his beloved father, Maulana Sayyid Mu'in Ahmad Al Hassan Al Jailani, دامت بركاتهم العالية إن شاء الله ونفع الله بهم. You can see the spirit of Mahabba is all around, because Sufis everywhere in the world, they have one and only one thing, which is Mahabba. They want people to live in peace, tolerant, prosperous, happiness. And you can see that here. Just enter to the city, you feel it. And I just wonder how the feelings will be during the Horus time, when the people come.
Millions and
Yeah,
millions.
And the millions of people come here to seek the blessings, and they will go back with more than what they thought and imagined. Because Auliya Allah, they are not the host. Allah is the host subhanahu wa ta'ala in behalf of them. Auliya Allah, Allah inna awliya Allah la khawfun alayhim. No worries about them. And so Allah will look after subhanahu wa ta'ala. So they taught the people here mahabba, humbleness, closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and how to be attached to Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, to Ahlul Bayt, Sahaba al-Kiram radiyallahu anhum, and they adopt their teachings, Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah and Ahlul Tasawwuf especially, the teachings of Salihin wal Auliya, whom they are, as they said about them, Auliya Allah, they are like rain for the land. You cannot see life in the land without rain. They are flowers where the people look to them and smile. And Sayyidina Huzur Rosbach, Sayyidina Maulana Sheikh Al Jailani said, Auliya Allah, they are the roses of Allah on earth. When you smell their fragrance, you will feel you want to be close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So they are the one who remind us about the reality of our life. Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi said, our job is not to touch the body of the people, but to touch their hearts and their spirit. Because these are the ones who make you close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Being Muslim, that's one thing. But secondly is to be close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that's what we want. This is a mission of all, and this is a mission we find it here, and we were following all the activities of our beloved brother Sayyid Afeefuddin Jazakallah khair everywhere, and his concern about all the issues facing Muslims everywhere in the world. Jazakallah khair. With kindness. We don't have anger. When you are angry, you cannot find solution. When you calm, you will find solution. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran al-Kareem, even if you meet with someone against you in aqidah or in deen, he said, you be wise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, and talk nicely with them. Our duty is to bring people to Allah, not to push them away. Sayyidina Imam Shafi'i has beautiful sayings. He said, Al-Arifin wal-Awliya wal-Ulama, their duties is to kill the sickness, not to kill the patient. So if we have someone who is doing something wrong, we dislike what he's doing, but never dislike him. Because as Sayyidina Hazrat Pak said, your achievement is to change the one who's bad to make him good, and the one who's good to make him great. So Jazakumullah khair.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you for all the hospitality and
Shukran. I'm honored.